Hello there, it's Gigi the Vegan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I am making chia seed pudding. Yay! Highly recommended by some of you. Suggested, Gigi, please show us how to make chia seed pudding. It is so simple. 3 ingredients that I'm using today. We know chia seed is high in fiber, antioxidants, as well as protein, which is really good for us when you live in a healthy lifestyle. So for every 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, we're going to add about a half a cup of milk. Okay, plant-based milk. I'm using oat milk today. Then I have vanilla extract. I would say if some of you would like a sweetener, you can always add maple syrup or date syrup to this recipe. So let's go ahead and jump right in and get started. I'm going to add my chia seeds to my bowl. There it is. Vanilla extract. And my oat milk. Now, you can use almond milk, hemp seed milk, however you like, any type of plant-based milk, you should use that. And so I'm using my whisk, but you can also use a spoon, but I'm going to go ahead and whisk that together. As you may know, chia seeds expand. And I know a lot of you are looking for ways to help with appetite suppressant. So chia seeds is good for that because it actually fills the stomach when it expands into the body, which is really good it aids in weight loss as well because it suppresses your appetite. Now there's 2 types of, should I say, colors of chia seeds. There's black and then there's white. There's no real difference in the 2 other than I hear that the white chia seeds just have a little less proteins in it versus the black chia seeds. And so what I like to do when this is all done, I refrigerate it for roughly about 6 hours, sometimes just overnight, so it turns into a little thicker, I like a thicker consistency when it comes to my pudding. And then I would top it with blueberries, strawberries, bananas. It's all up to you. And some people like to add granola on top too as well. So I'll just whisk a few more minutes. And as you can see, it's starting to thicken up a little bit. They're starting to, what I should say, is gel. They gel together and they form like a pudding. And really is. Look at that. You see that? Yeah, so this is really going to be delicious. I love to have chia seed pudding for breakfast. Sometimes I do it for a late night, not a late night, dinner as well. And our clients love our chia seed pudding here at Gigi's Wellness Cafe in Kansas City. All right, I'm done with mixing that up. And again, chia seeds are high in fiber and high in protein and antioxidant. It is a great superfood to include and incorporate into your new diet or lifestyle. Again, I hope this was helpful to you. I'm Gigi the Vegan. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. We have several different videos to help you sustain your vegan lifestyle as well as a lifestyle change. Also follow me on Instagram and like us on Facebook. Thank you.